Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 25 best ways to lose fat and boost energy. Number 1. Eat enough fiber and drink enough water. One of the primary and most important steps to lose fat is eating enough fiber and drinking enough water daily. So you can have healthy bowel movements and better digestive system to accelerate the weight loss process to reach your optimal desired weight. Number 2. Exercise smart. Doing too much cardio can be harmful than beneficial, especially for some people with different body types and vitality level. Right nutrition combined with smart exercise routine is a way to go for success in your weight loss journey. Number 3. Figure out the best ratios of food and portion sizes for yourself. Eating too much in one sitting not only can put on weight, but also is harmful to your digestive system. Eating too less and snacking on low nutrients foods can also be bad for your health and hormones. Find out what is best for you, how much protein, carb, and fat your body can handle. This is something most people don't know, and I'm sharing this secret with you, so it's so important. Number 4. Intermittent fasting. Fasting is a great way to detox the body and rest your bodily systems and heal your organs. If you want to accelerate weight loss process in an efficient way, you should try intermittent fasting to see how it works for you. Number 5. Juice fasting. Another type of fasting is to only drink green and fruit juices and smoothies for a certain amount of time until you get rid of some stubborn fat you're hoping to get rid of. This type of fasting can do wonders to your health and speed the healing process. Number 6. Eat nutritious foods. Nothing is more detrimental than junk foods which lacks nutrients your body needs. At the same time, it requires more energy to digest your foods, as well as putting unwanted toxins in your body. Avoiding unhealthy foods and eating more nutritious foods will help you lose fat and keep away the unwanted weight gain. Number 7. Chew well. I can't stress enough how important it is to chew your food well. Not chewing well negatively affects your digestive system. It can cause all sorts of stomach problems. Chewing well enough is one of the major factors to keep your body healthy and your weight in optimal level. I've done an important experiment regarding chewing your food thoroughly versus not chewing enough, which can easily tell you how important it is to your health and vitality. Number 8. Yoga twice a day. Stress is primary cause of all illnesses and conditions, mentally as well as physically. It affects hormonal health and every organ in your body, and most certainly it has an impact on our physique. Yoga is one of the best exercises you can do to relieve stress and balance the body for optimal health and vitality. If your goal is to lose weight and get rid of excess fat, doing yoga regularly combined with healthy eating will help you achieve your goals. Number 9. Be positive. It is always beneficial to be positive than being negative. You must believe it is possible and have determination and persistence until you reach your desired goal. Number 10. Consume smaller meals. Another thing you can try is to eat smaller portions. This can tremendously help most people lose weight efficiently and faster as long as you eat the right foods with adequate nutrition. Doing so, your body slowly should get rid of excess fat by eating smaller meals in a smart way. Number 11. Avoid sugar and fried foods. You may already know that sugar and fried foods are the worst type of foods you can consume. Not only they are toxic and unhealthy, it can also cause unhealthy weight gain. If you're serious about losing weight, you must avoid these types of foods at all costs. Number 12. Cleanse your liver. Liver is most important organ to keep us healthy and functioning. Weak liver is one of the main causes of digestive issues and difficulty losing weight. Number 13. Increase your activities. This one is no-brainer. You gotta move and move often. Increase your daily activities. Do sports and work out. If you're inactive, it is gonna be way more difficult to lose weight. Being inactive and having a sedentary lives increase stress levels, does affect hormones and cause all sorts of problems. Number 14. Lift weights. Cardio is not the only thing you should do. Combination of other exercises such as lifting weights can help you lose fat as well. Number 15. Track your progress. Tracking your progress can help with the determination and consistency during your weight loss journey. This way you can know what works for you and what doesn't and improve along the way. Number 16. HIIT. Another type of exercise called HIIT has helped many people lose fat. This high-intense workout can be a great way to burn calories and speed up fat loss. Number 17. Core exercises. Whole body exercises will speed up your metabolism and burn calories and fat. Core exercises come with a variety and will improve the strength, power, endurance, and coordination of those muscles. But I suggest you to get your nutrition and eating habits checked first. Doing core exercises with bad nutrition won't help much. Number 18. Walk and ride your bike. Walk regularly but don't overdo it. Ride regularly but don't overdo it for the sake of losing weight faster. It can actually hurt you in the long run. Balance is the key. Walk and ride with balance without exhausting yourself. Walking and riding bikes can be a great way to burn fat. Number 19. Healthy fats. Always use healthy fats instead of unhealthy ones. Keep in mind to avoid consuming too much fat. Stay away from palm oil and cottonseed oil. Choose extra virgin olive oil when cooking. Number 20. Don't eat before bed. Eating late at night may prevent you losing weight efficiently. It is also unhealthy for digestive system. Always aim to eat at least 3 hours prior to going to bed. Number 21. Improve your digestion. One of the most important things you can do is to improve your digestion for better health and vitality. Weak digestion can cause fat gain and all sorts of health problems you don't want. Number 22. Use your brain. Be smart with your diet and lifestyle. If you want to see change, you need to change things. It is that simple. Research more and don't assume. Number 23. Swim more. Like any type of exercise, swimming can help you burn calories. Intense swimming workouts can burn roughly 800 calories per hour. To maximize weight loss, incorporate intervals or high-intensity swimming into your workouts. Number 24. Meat-free day. You don't need to avoid meat to lose weight, or you don't need to be vegetarian or vegan to lose fat. But eating too much meat every day is not ideal if you want to lose some weight. Therefore, having meat-free day 1 or 2 days of the week can be ideal to rest your digestive system and accelerate fat loss. Last but not least, number 25. Lower your stress levels. When you eat under stress, not only it'll be harder to digest your food, it will also cause weight gain and hormonal issues. Stress can cause unwanted fat gain and can harm your weight loss progress. That's why it is wise to take every necessary step to lower your stress levels to reach your desired and optimal weight. I hope this video was beneficial. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.